Los Angeles, a judge on Friday dismissed the state of California as a defendant in a lawsuit brought by 3 owners of dine-in restaurants demanding compensation for what they say was the government's use of their property to mitigate an emergency when indoor dining was prohibited under coronavirus. The judge also noted that the restaurant owners, James P. Trani, Patrick and John Marvoich, did not file in opposition to the Attorney General's office's motion to dismiss the portion of the case against the state. No appearances were made by the businessmen nor their attorney in court Friday when the judge was scheduled to hear arguments before issuing a final ruling. In their petition filed April 12, the businessmen also named as respondents Los Angeles County and the City of Los Angeles. The parts of the case against both are not impacted by the state's motion. The 3 restaurant owners alleged the forced closures amounted to a government taking and violated their rights of free speech and assembly. Their court papers do not name the restaurants they own, the government's order being without any connection to the plaintiffs, and each of them, is an irrational and unnecessary order to stop the spread of the COVID-19 virus by punishing the irrelevant plaintiffs who are virus-free and pose absolute. Plaintiffs allege that the government shutdown order was not rationally related to A or any governmental interest as it was unsupported by any evidence and defied logic, nature, and/or common sense. Before the closures, Trani operated his restaurant at a profit for 30 years, while Marvoich's eatery was in the black for 20 years and Patrick's for 11 years, the petition states. The plaintiffs' businesses have never been the source of the COVID-19 or any other virus, the petition states. Plaintiffs have always practiced excellent sanitation practices to wipe out all contamination, according to the petition.